Yo, yo, yo! Today is Volcano Day. They say that it is quite tricky to get to. We'll see about that. I have, at the moment, no real knowledge on how to get there. What I do know also is that it's supposed to be one of the biggest tourist traps ever. They try to skim you of your money for everything. So I've set a budget. That's what all the money that I have. It is 4,490 pesos, which is actually quite a lot. I think it's on the upper end of what you would ever need. It's about $100. So that's the target. I'll take this. I'll take myself. Take this backpack. And let's go for a hike. The trip is to I'll explain how to get there when I get down there. When I'm out on my way, because I actually have to talk to the concierges on where I can catch the bus. I'm thinking of doing this all without taxi, but if the need comes, we'll go for taxi. First stop is though to get some beautiful breakfast down at the Shangri-La. And then I'm off. Alright, see you soon. Oh, and it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Let's see when I get there. Alright, starting to see some true side of Manila. Going to a bus terminal. Taxi driver, actually the first thing he tried to do was, of course, ride me straight there. 3,500, he said. It was a good price. That's as much as the hotel charges for a personal driver the whole day. And he got me here. It's just up here somewhere. And he said 200. I said 100. No way, man. And he said, okay. There's a lot about haggling in this country. All right, let's see if I can find that bus. City's getting busier, and I'm in the search for some sunscreen because it's getting quite hot. I'm supposed to find a pharmacy along Taft Avenue, which is right up here. Yeah, and it's feeling more rural, which I really like. Pretty good. Look at this stuff. What is it? Bananas. Hey fellows. Alright, bump in the road number 1. The bus company that Shangri-La recommended, they don't take me to Tagaytay, which is closest to the volcano. So I'll check with this next company and say if they can get me there. Hey man! Can you drive me to Tagaytay?
Tagaytay.
Yeah? Tagaytay. Bus has arrived. Let's see if we can get on it as well. Quite a crowd. Finally on the bus, sitting comfortably here. It's air conditioned, comfortable seats. This guy, Christian, been talking me through the trip, what to expect. It's a long and nice bus ride, but just take your time, relax, and after that, a jeep ride. How long is the jeep ride? 30 minutes? Oh, or one of the tricycles. Or tricycle or jeep, 30 minutes. And then a boat over to the volcano island. And a 2-hour hike, apparently. Should be good, so save power, save energy here, bring some water. And then enjoy the beautiful view that is coming up. But first, just kick back and relax at this pretty packed bus. Second mean of transportation, what they call a tricycle. This guy rides a motorbike, and it's the smallest freaking thing to sit in ever. I got a nice little window. So on the boat with the driver. What's your name, man? Greg. Hey, Greg. Greg is taking me over to the. Well, where is the volcano? Thank you. Alright, 3. It's about to start. This is the small little village where they're trying to get you on one of the horses. We got a cool basketball court going. And it's okay, so the rundown is that it has been very different information on this whole trip. Is it up this way? Just keep walking? Yeah? Oh no, it's fine. I was just... Yeah, that's okay. Oh, it's fine. Thank you. It's alright. I just like to walk. Oh, up here? And then just continue.
You want the guide?
Nah, it's fine. Thank you.
200.
Nah, it's fine.
Because many way.
Ah, it's fine. Thank you. It's good. Yep, it's all good. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay. All right. So it's many way. Anyway, the rundown is. Let me check what time it is. So much information on how long time it takes, if it's even doable. I've heard that it's not doable by foot. I've heard people saying it's exhausting by foot. I've heard people say, how was it? Good?
Good.
Ah, sweet. She says it was good. Some say you have to get a horse. Some say it takes 2 hours to go up. Some say it takes 1 hour. Last time I heard, the guy telling me, he said 1.5 hours. So I'm starting now. 12:47. I got 3 bottles of water, and let's see when I reach the top. Hey guys, how was it? How was it?
It was good.
Oh, nice.
Hope you're having fun.
You too. Yeah, so let's start. 12:47, 12:48, and let's see when I reach the top. Should be a splendid view. And oh, I heard there was going to be one other review that I read on TripAdvisor, was that it was very dusty, which it actually seems to be. Look at this. It's like small dust clouds. So what I did, upon recommendation from TripAdvisor, buy one of these. A face mask, an Asian face mask, which looks something like this. Oh, and if the weather wasn't enough, I can tell you that this thing will make it pretty warm. Oh. After a mere of 10-12 minutes walking, I can confirm that it is very hot, and it has been very dusty in the first climb. Loads of people going on the cute horses. Stirring up some sand, but now it has cleared up pretty well, and well, look at this. That's pretty stunning. Hardly want to break my seal for getting up to the crater, which I reckon is just over there. So we'll see how long time this actually takes, but it sure is taxing, and it sure is hell hot. I am happy I got that sunscreen. All right. Keep going.
You want coconut, sir?
Coconut?
Yes.
Nah, I'm fine. Thank you. Maybe on the way down. How much is it?
50.
50? Nah!
Market here.
Ah! I give you 20!
Yeah, no market here. 100.
See you on the way down. This is pretty cool. It smells a lot of sulfur and steam is coming out of the mountain. Ooh, ooh, strong smell of sulfur. Ooh, that is cool. Look at this. Going right here as well. Oh, it's getting cool. All right, we reached the top, and it is 1:19. That's with a few stops and everything, so it doesn't take that long. All right, I have barely broken my seal. I hardly want to look to the right because there it is. Let me just get up to the summit here before turning around. Highest point. There we go. That is beautiful. That's a nice treat. Look at that. Ooh. On the other side of the crater, I found this little pretty cool rock to stand on. Ooh, slippery. Oh. How about that? We can see smoke down there, just by the edge of the water. And you can see clearly the yellow spots of what I reckon is sulfur, as far as my volcanic knowledge goes. Ooh. I think that there is a little clip out there as well. Let's go check it out. Oh, look at that. Holy shit, it's beautiful. So worth it. So worth it. Freaking awesome. There you go.
Picture?
Tanga yun. Babano.
Saan ka?
Tanga yun eh. Ano?
Ano to?
Yung magsasalita lang. Picture lang.
The water for
Ano
40.
yan? May memory. Memory.
Ah, that's right.
Chung 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 chung.
Sir.
Thank you.
Ay, memory. Uy, bubugay. Chung 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 chung. Memory. Memory.
Thank you. All right, see you guys. Bye.